Hi my peeps, what's up? What going? So guys, I'm in country. I look at the pear tree, my pear tree. Yeah. Oh my god, Camilo. Look on the big one them. Huh? Water? Water for what? Oh, the river water? What you want, one bottle water? Look in our fridge. No, we don't have, we run out. Guys, I'm gonna try to pick a big one. Me no know, me not see none. Oh God, no Pari, yes sir. Pari, see big one them, yes sir. No, Lally them not have no thick also. Over Lally. Yeah. I'll pick this one. I'm gonna put it up to ripe, guys. There's another big one there. The big one them up in the top, come in. So me pick them and they're ripe. What me I gonna do? Me can't reach the big one them. Alright, my peeps, look at the pears. Ooh, this is what I picked so far. And this one's so ripe, guys. And this one's so ripe. I have some mangoes as well, and ginger over there. I have some green plantain over there. Gonna turn up. Yeah. I have quite a few stuff, guys, over here. I have some ripe bananas. I'm gonna make some juice. Some punch. Alright. And that's it. Yeah. When one ripe, guys, I'm gonna cut it and show you. I'm gonna eat so much already in my belly full stuff, but when it ripe, I'm gonna cut it and show you. This one can't eat right now, guys. I have it tomorrow. Them are the green, you can see the green banana. Yes, and then put them down. And them are always be the nicest thing. Guys, look, good morning world. Look what I got from my brother's backyard. Wow. Real Jamaican plantain. It smells so sweet. Well sweet. Put it right over the middle. And I have some breadfruit. I have some avocado, pear. It's a guava. Peeps, don't watch this. This is some roast breadfruit and the leftover curry. So this is what I'm having for my dinner. Yep, and some juice. Answer. Yep. Guys, I'm super hot. I'm sweating. Wow. Come on, Jamaican, no sweat. You know I say nothing. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm sweating. Yeah, see me? Alright. If you see me, have my water, have my juice. It's hot. We have one fan in there, so guys. Hey, nobody look for me fan too. I turn the fan there. I turn the fan, guys, so we can get some fresh air. Ooh, that feels so good. Alright, guys, so basically, this is what I'm eating. Don't watch it on. Yeah. Curry, chicken, and roast breadfruit. I have have my juice. A little bit of water. I hope you guys are eating. Guys, don't watch me hairstyle. Wow. Our hairstyle, I go. I'm gonna get it great, guys. Oh my god, look. Don't look at it. The chicken's so good. Hot. So guys, I'm doing a little mini vacation just for a few days, and I'm going back in a few days. It's not a long trip this time. Guys, family, I eat the dog. Come, you show it dog. You see there, guys? Come. Family, I eat. Dog come for food. You see dog? Guys, you see how the dog them bright? Dog now near me was breadfruit. Oh. Oh, he eat it. If he not eat it, me not give him no bone. So the potato pudding in the oven. I'm gonna take it out soon, another 20 minutes. One second. We have one other little piece of breadfruit, guys. We go get it because it's nice, yeah. So good in the gravy. Here, one comb, guys. Oh, don't what to hear. This is guava pineapple, I think. What's it called? I cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating now because I'm going on the road. As you can see this up, I have my clothes take out already. I go wash my face, put my brows on, throw on some wig, and I'll show you how I'm looking after. Yeah, gonna transform from this to that. Alright guys, real Jamaican KFC. The bucket almost finished. No, that's why I didn't choose this one. Of course.
I buy them.
Morning time. People them come in the first 15 minutes. In the morning? No, you don't want to show a big plate. Alright guys, this is a real Jamaican KFC. This is our spicy.
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy. Regular, mild. We don't have no barbecue. Barbecue done. No, it sold out.
I remind them what.